Hey! Did you know that switching to a plant-based diet can completely transform your health and well-being? Stick around, because today we're diving into the powerful world of plant-based nutrition that promises to revolutionize your approach to eating. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered why plant-based diets have become such a global phenomenon? Join us as we explore the origins of this wholesome lifestyle and uncover why it's capturing the attention of health-conscious individuals everywhere. Let's tackle the common myths and challenges of plant-based eating head-on. From worries about getting enough protein to concerns about nutrient adequacy, we'll debunk these misconceptions and show you how to thrive on a plant-based diet. No more guesswork, just solid, science-backed advice. Now, let's delve into the myriad health benefits that await those who embrace a plant-powered lifestyle. Plant-based diets are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, which are essential for heart health, reducing cholesterol and blood pressure. Weight management, helping you maintain a healthy weight naturally. Immune function, strengthening your immune system. Chronic disease prevention, lowering the risk of diseases like diabetes and cancer. Imagine eating foods that not only taste great but also nourish your body from the inside out. Here's a fascinating fact: plant-based diets can drastically improve gut health. The high fiber content in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains promotes healthy digestion and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut contributes to better nutrient absorption, improved immune function, and even enhanced mental health. It's a holistic approach to wellness that starts from the inside out. In summary, the benefits of a plant-based diet extend far beyond personal health. By choosing plant foods, we not only nourish our bodies but also support a sustainable future for our planet, conserve natural resources, and promote animal welfare. Ready to embrace the power of plants? Take the first step today. Start by exploring delicious plant-based recipes, share your journey in the comments below, and check out the resources in the video description for more tips. Let's cultivate a healthier lifestyle together and drive positive change. Get ready to unlock the extraordinary benefits of a plant-based diet. Your journey to vibrant health begins now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.